Hi there, today I'm here to give a tutorial on how to operate our brand new feature in 2021, which is the patio railing. Our patio railing is all aluminum, black anodized. It's very lightweight and very durable. It's very easy to fold up out of the way and totally remove if you'd like, and we're going to show you how to do that today. So when you receive your toy hauler, it'll be somewhat like this. You open your ramp door, you'll set up your patio cables, and then we're going to show you exactly how the railing operates. There's hinge points on the side here, and you'll just grab one side, and it rolls, has rollers on the bottom, just rolls out like this with the hinge point here, another hinge point here, and then there's 3 attachment points on each side. They are adjustable latches similar to the partition wall latches. Lori's going to latch these. And then for stabilization, we have gussets for the corners. Nice thing about these braces is they have cup holders in them. So not only does it help for sturdiness in the railing, it also gives you 4 places to hold your favorite beverage. Then the gate. The gate is separate. It's just a Jeep style hinge point. Okay. After your railing's all set up, we do have the step with railing. There are 2 footman's loops on the bottom of the ramp door that the steps clips right in. And then the handrail. And you're all set.